Hi everyone, in this quick video I am going to show you how to copy a line segment from one layer and paste it to another layer in ArcGIS Pro. So in this video I will copy a line segment from sketch layer and paste it to resurfacing layer. So before we do that, you need to keep in mind there are some preconditions, like both of the layer must be editable and it should be in same coordinate system. But even if it is not so same coordinate system, it should work. And secondly, both layer must be line feature layer classes. You cannot copy a point to a line feature class or a line to a point feature class. So make sure both layers in the same feature class. And third, you must have edit permission if these layers are in the geodatabase. Because these are some preconditions that you need to keep in mind. So let's do this. So I will copy a segment from sketch layer. So let me select a portion of it. So I selected. So now you can copy either by right clicking or Control V. And then I selected resurfacing there, and then you have to press Alt Control V. Alt Control V, and then it says paste spatial. So here you can see which layer is selected. So this resurfacing layer, in my resurfacing layer, it has different category based on years. So this layer, it is asking me which of the layer I should select. So I will select 2024, and then click OK. Now you can see, let me clear the selection. So now you see this a line segment is copied from sketch layer and then pasted to resurfacing layer. So if I turn it off, you can see there this line layer copied from sketch to resurfacing layer, and it also copied all the attributes as well. So if I go, see, all the attributes are being also moved to the resurfacing layer. So thank you so much for watching. If you need more tips, I generally share some tips in my YouTube channel, so please consider subscribing my channel. It would help you to get new tips. Thank you.